Tony the plumber, come on back. I'm doing a video gate for you. Video gate.
A video gate where?
From my town, Wayne, New Jersey. Wayne, New Jersey.
You're on the Wayne, New Jersey. So we're not that far.
I still can't believe you can hear me over there by Nanuet, by Facades. Facades.
Yeah, but you hit me with about 5 pounds.
5 pounds, you're doing 3 over here. 5 pounds, you're doing 3 over here. Take up my video 358 Bobcat space NY on YouTube. 358 Bobcat space NY on YouTube.
Alright, no problem, but I'm going into the store. I'll catch you when I get out.
Alright, well, I'm going to put this up so you can hear what you sound like over here in Wayne.
Sounds good, man. We'll talk to you later.
Alright, Tony the plumber, 358 Bobcat got down.